some help because outside it's flooding. Guys, literally, our backyard is like completely flooded. Anyways, as I was saying, the backyard is literally completely flooded. And I don't know what to actually do about this. Cleo's just like chill. She's like, fine. The road, it's kind of fine, but kind of not. Cleo's just like chill. She's just playing on her computer. She's not doing anything. And I'm actually a bit scared. Guys, look. Oh, hold up. You can't see get a good view from over there. Let me go to the front door and show you guys. That. I do not know what to do with that or do about that. And you guys should definitely see the backyard. It is way worse. It is just it's drowning enough for the swim. Okay, hold up. I don't know if you guys can get it. I know I don't think you can. And right now it is also thunder. So then, guys can't.
Inside. It is lightning and thundering. This is when you can get struck by lightning.
And what are we gonna do about that?
What? I smell gas.
The flood.
Do you smell that gas out there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, I have no clue what to do. Comment down below what you guys would do if you were in a flood, and how would you would survive it. And by the way, sorry if my voice was too well, you couldn't hear it. If it was like too quiet for you guys, I am very sorry for that. If that is the case, how is that car not moving? How? I don't know if you guys can see, but the whole street is literally flooded to over a foot. Somebody's just walking in it over there. Somebody's just walking in it. Are you, like, seriously, are you insane? Like, what? Down there, it's not actually that bad because it's uphill. But then, over there, it is not looking good. It does not look good. So, guys, comment down below what you think I should do for the next video, and what I should do for the flood survival thing, and what you guys think I should do next, or should I join my sister next time? Probably next time I will join my sister. Taco. Okay, so I will probably see you guys next time. Maybe with Cleo. So bye guys.